Don't believe the hype. Woo! Man, if y'all heard that song, that's an old school song, y'all. So I had to just chime in. I actually have had these glasses, the Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses, for over 30 days. And all I'm going to say is, don't believe the hype. Listen, I had to just explain it to you. This is a quick review of how I felt these glasses were in the last 30 days. Now, this is my opinion. Now, I do have a professional opinion, so bear with me as I'm sitting in the car about to take these things back right now. So if you put it in perspective, if you hear me well, I'm going to tell you exactly like this. The glasses, yes. These glasses are particularly great for those that enjoy playing music. You can answer your phone. You can capture quick photos. You can capture quick video clips. Man, they excel in providing you a hand-free experience. I'm going to tell you just like that, truthfully. But honestly, man, for a professional, a videographer like myself, a photographer, man, the current, usage of these is irritating. Because, the video quality, it's okay. The photo capability is, You snap a shot, if you move, this blurry. It's done. So, you want the high res and you want the high quality photos and things of that nature, you might not get all that you want. So I would say stick with your cell phone. Because that's superior right now. As far as the quality for a content creator, it's really great. Stick with the cell phone. But moving on, in terms of, the design, the glasses are comfortable. Man, I really enjoy wearing them all day. I ain't gonna lie about that. They look perfect with leisure and casual dressing and casual activities, things you want to do if you want to work out, stuff like that. They're cool. Now, I want to say one more thing, which is super dope. You can stream content though. Now that's dope. You can stream content and, you can share the experiences right away, and it hops on your phone and you can upload them from, just think about it from the first person perspective. You're doing something and this is how you see things. So people see things how you see them. Now for that video quality right there, that's fine. But overall, if you're a professional, if you are a person of, just enjoying life and you got the money to spend, do it. But like I said, overall, the Meta, I'm not going to bash them. The Meta Ray-Ban smart glasses are a fantastic option for casual users looking for that smart features in their stylish frames. Yes, it really is. But for a professional, I would say it'd be wise to wait